Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. I'm sorry I've been a little MIA, but I have been doing some projects around the house, but I'm so excited to share them with you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys what I've been up to. I am going to do a little bit of last minute Valentine's Day's decorating. I didn't do much just because I've been doing a lot at home. I also want to thank you guys who are still here even though I've been a little absent. But I have a lot of videos that I'm going to upload real soon on the projects that I've been doing around the house. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I would love to have you. So go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. You guys will totally not regret it. And yeah, so let's start cleaning. So I'm gonna start off with cleaning my living room area. And you guys, yes, I did get a new set of couches, and the reason why was, well, you guys already know, I've been telling you guys this forever if you are not new to my channel, but they're falling apart. So I went ahead and got these. These are so comfortable, you guys. I ended up getting them from Facebook Market. Definitely would recommend you guys, if you are in a budget for some couches or just anything, any furniture, go to your Facebook Market and see what you can find. I was on a budget for some couches so I can splurge on a vacuum, and yes, I finally have a good cordless vacuum. I ended up getting the Dyson V7, and so far, you guys, I am loving it. So tell me down below if you guys have a cordless, or what exactly do you guys use for your vacuum. I'm trying to put on a curtain, well, two curtains actually, because I have this window right here and then this window, but I don't know with what rod to go with. So I have this gold one that has leaves on it. It looks like this. Probably if I get further back you guys will be able to see it better, but it pretty much looks like this. So it's like a, I want to say gold, or what do you call this color, mama? By the way, Aviana is on her little walker. Say hi. Hi. So we're so happy she finally has her walker. Oh, you guys excuse her balloons. I got them for her because I want to do her little 9-month photo shoot. So I'm so excited to do that. Can you guys please help me decide which one to go with? I don't know if the gold one would look better or the silver one. So yeah, I'll put it up, and I guess you guys can help me by commenting down below in the comment section. So please help me. Story of my life, I'm very undecisive. Okay. Someone's excited. You're excited? Yeah. So I don't want to drill any holes on the walls anymore because, let's be honest, like, I don't want to go through all that. So what I'm gonna do is just use these removable hooks that I got from Dollar Tree, aka command strips or command hooks, and just put the rod there so I won't have to go through doing a bunch of holes on the wall again. I am so sorry, you guys, but these couple of clips are going to be a little blurry, and that's because I just got a new camera and I'm still trying to figure out these settings. But in this clip I am just going to stick the command hooks on the wall. These are the curtains that I'm going to use. These are just regular sheer window panels. I got these from Burlington. I actually got it for my siblings. I wanted to give it to them for a little like housewarming gift, but I ended up giving them something else, and I kept it, not knowing that I was gonna use this, because I really don't have any curtains or just panels anywhere in the house. So I think it would look really nice here in the living area. So yeah, this is how they look. They're
four panels for $14.99. So if you guys are looking for some inexpensive curtains, definitely go to Burlington's.
I also wanted to mention that my couches do have like a bronzy or a gold hardware on it. That's why I was kind of undecided if I wanted to go with that silver or if I wanted to go with that bronze gold rod, but still keeping it farmhouse. I really enjoy that farmhouse style.
It's the next day. Yesterday, well, actually last night, I didn't do a lot. I just ended up just cleaning the living room area and putting up those curtains. So today I'm gonna finish up cleaning up and also packing, because we are gonna go for a little family reunion out of the state. Oh yeah, and also finish decorating for Valentine's Day.
I'm going to continue cleaning up by just cleaning my dining table. And yes, you guys, I'm still using the peppermint scent from Mrs. M. Myers. This is just by far my favorite scent, I think, right now. So that's why I'm still using it. But I am going to clean up my baby girl's chair because we just ate lunch and that's why we had a big mess. So I'm just cleaning that up, and I'm sorry that it's a bit blurry again. If you guys haven't watched my last video, I'm going to link that video down below so you guys can go watch it. But I did this banner. I simply just used Dollar Tree things, so it was super inexpensive and I really like it. I just did not like how it looked here on my hutch, so I decided to put it on the wall parallel to my dining room area. But later on I decided to take it off, which you guys will see later on in the video. But I'm just gonna put down some round plates, and I'm gonna use these heart plates that I got from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna take a little break. Aviana just ate some blueberries, right? Did you eat some blueberries? What? Who's that? Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
And the other
Look
thing
at
is
that
I
baby.
already had pumpkins, so when the kids were older,
She wants to take the. You want to take the camera? Hmm? What? No, don't touch the lens.
I'll think about it.
I don't know what I think about that banner right there. I don't think it matches this area, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I was looking. Yeah, Mama. I don't know how I feel about it. So I was thinking of putting a buffalo check runner just to make it maybe look better, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, and by the way, I'm watching Handmaids. Alright, so I ended up taking off the banner that I made because it was just clashing with this, and I really like just this by itself. You guys might think that it looks a bit plain, but I really like how it looks like this. I just love these fresh flowers. They look really cute together. I was just trying to save them because they were dying in the grocery store, so I just think they look really nice. So I ended up putting the banner up here again so it wouldn't be covering the decor on that first shelf.
Lastly, I just decided to put a vase with some cotton on the living area because it was just too plain, and I wanted to put one of these beaded necklaces that I got from Hobby Lobby. Again, it was really inexpensive. I thought it would look really nice on my living room coffee table.
So yeah, what are you guys going to do for Valentine's Day? Say hello. Hello. Alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something just different for my channel. If you guys like these vlog style videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and I'll continue making them. If not, then I'll just stop. Alright you guys, well I'll see you guys in our next video. Say bye. Bye.